Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Even if the crypto market is correcting today after this few days of green that we just experienced. My name is Mike Dankler from CorionX and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. Everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. So guys, smash those like, push the bell, notification all, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. It's really important for the YouTube algorithm. And let's go and check our favorite bubble chart. What's happening on the market? We see most of the altcoins are correcting. Even Bitcoin is down 4%, Ethereum is down 4.6% and reaching some support zones. Bitcoin at 42,000 US dollar and Ethereum at 2,800 US dollars. And yeah, ANC, Osmo, Quant, Atom, Waves, OKB are up and also Maker. So Waves really doing well, just 100% in the last 1 week. So guys, let's go and check our favorite indicator, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. It is at 39, so in the fear zone. After 2 days just going up in the neutral zone, the index also turned to fear, but nothing serious with this. But remember, last year from May until end of July, the index went low as 10 several times, and then after this fear period, greed came back to the market. So now the index wants to shoot up, but not certain that the price will follow through. This is we see some things going on and some indecisions how investors want to go forward. But our first piece of news: Bitcoin sees 33,000 dip amid expectation of another run for BTC price. So guys, are you waiting for another pump? Looks to me like we are going to see another run to the highs, as the correction is not as swift as we normally would be. So it's not as swift, it was just 2 for 3 days going down. And Bitcoin on-chain metrics, the whale, fish and BTC USD. So this is how you see this. I want to make it bigger. So this is the 30 days change in BTC held by address group, and we see that these addresses increasing their holdings, these addresses decreasing their holdings, and also these addresses, especially the one BTC fishes, increasing heavily their holdings with 2%. So this is a heat map what the Bitcoin hodlers are doing, and we see smaller fishes are accumulating more and more Bitcoin. Altcoins retain higher volatility. Ethereum gas fees are on an ultra low level, but not as low as we would like to be. Those are the times that you actually should start paying attention, as it gives opportunities. Guys, opportunities. So you think that 2,800 is an opportunity for buying an Ethereum? Yeah, so that can happen, and also this is a horizontal resistance. So now horizontal support line. Next piece of news is 35,000 US dollar Bitcoin looks cheap when compared with gold's market cap. Yeah, wow. Okay, so Bitcoin's 850 billion capitalization, which isn't anywhere close to silver's 1.4 trillion or Amazon's and Google's 1.7 trillion market value. So guys, go and check these charts about market values, and let's refresh this. Then you will see that Apple worth 2.7 billion, Microsoft 2.2, Google worth 1.7, Amazon 1.5, Silver 1.4, and Tesla 860, and Bitcoin almost 800 billion US dollars at the moment. The digital gold thesis is being proven right? Yes, it seems that it's proven right. Yeah, we already talked about this chart, so nothing new here. And Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance coin, the three highest market cap coins that you see here, and the market cap that Binance coin is just 70 billion right now. To about data, okay, German bonds, US corporate bonds, UK gifts, Dow Jones or stock, euro and yen, US 1-3 years treasuries, euro sterling, US T-bills, gold, S&P 500 all stocks. So where is Bitcoin? So if gold is here, then Bitcoin is somewhere, I think, maybe at the German bonds. According to GoldHub, there is 170 billion in daily liquidity for gold, including registered over-the-counter transactions. Bitcoin volume currently presents roughly 8% of that of gold. The gold ETFs versus Bitcoin exchange-traded products. So, a Grayscale GBTC, and these are the crypto funds, and these are the, I think these, yeah, also these are Bitcoin funds, and where we see some gold funds, not here. Okay, so according to GoldHub data, excluding the aggregate 61% non-financial gold use such as jewelry, industry, and others, the remaining market capitalization stands at 6 trillion. So it's also insane high, and one day Bitcoin will flip gold. I'm sure, but I don't know the real date. Here is what triggered Bitcoin's big bounce according to host of Invest Answers. Risk on is back. Certain names that are really beaten down are back. Not only the lack of trust around the world in fiat regimes, but also risk on. But this is what I believe is the real reason, the perpetual funding rate. There was a massive negative funding rate. This can lead to a short squeeze. When the rate is positive, long positions pay short positions. Conversely, when rate is negative, short positions pay long positions. When it is very negative, it's very concerning. It tells me that all the shorts are going in hard and they are investing in a lot of puts. But I think the short size got squeezed hard in a massive short squeeze. So this is what happened. The rate is positive, long positions pay short positions. When it's opposite, then long positions pay for shorts. Future perpetual funding rate in positive range, future perpetual funding rates in negative if you like it, and these are the rates. So cool. All it takes is a little buy to trigger this, and maybe that 254 million that came out of the place like Russia, the Eurozone and Ukraine, maybe that's all it took to create that short squeeze and make it happen. This is what I believe happened. All the mainstream media is incorrect. We have done the numbers and we think this is triggered by the initial. The lighter that lit the fuse was the initial money out of Ukraine or Russia oligarchs in London. But the reason was the perpetual funding rate was so negative, and that caused a massive short squeeze. So I think both that the money from Ukraine, Russia, and from Europe is flowing into Bitcoin, and also the negative funding rate, so altogether caused this Bitcoin pump. That was a news yesterday, but I want to put it back. A legendary billionaire just flipped on crypto and revealed a huge price bombshell is headed toward Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, so this is quite important because we expect that other billionaires will follow because they are going into the same club. Bitcoin rally cools down, but BTC whales are becoming increasingly active. Okay, Bitcoin whales become increasingly active, while Bitcoin hovers between 43,000 and 45,000, and traders await the next big swing. Whales are becoming increasingly active in making massive transactions. In the last 3 days, there have been 13,400 BTC transactions exceeded $1 million in value. And if just make it bigger, so 1 million plus had 3 consecutive days above 4,000 for the first time in 3 months. So this is quite big what we see here in this spike. So where's accumulating? Ukrainians piling into Bitcoin and USDT with huge spike in trading volume. And this is Binance daily volume, USDT, Binance daily volume, BTC. Okay, next piece of news is, and maybe not just Ukrainian and Russians, but all other nations, maybe from Europe or also from US. Bitcoin taker buy sell volume shows buy signal as BTC gears up for rally. And this is the chart that from CryptoQuant. This is the Bitcoin price. So nice buy signals with huge candles, and Bitcoin market data take buy sell statistic taker buy rotation and taker and sell rotation. So you see buys and sells, and this is that showing why BTC price moved, because Bitcoin just got more buyers than sellers. Customer demand prompts Charles Schwab filed for crypto economy ETF. Multinational financial services giant Charles Schwab has responded to clients' demand to invest in cryptocurrency by filing with the United States SEC to launch a crypto economy ETF. A fuel 16% of Schwab's clients plan to put money into cryptocurrencies in the first half of the year. So that is why they forming this ETF. Charles Schwab has 7.5 trillion assets under management. And let's quote, the fund may have indirect exposure to cryptocurrencies by virtue of its investment in companies that use one or more digital assets as part of their business activities, or that holds digital assets as proprietary investment. Next piece of news is Japanese wealth manager Nomura to explore crypto and NFTs with new unit. So a wealth manager, not just investing in traditional layer 1s, layer 2s, Bitcoin, but NFTs, guys, NFTs. The new digital company will lead deeper collaboration among internal and external stakeholders, accelerate our uptake of digital technologies, and enhance our clients' services. Guys, this pretty looks good. So which will you take? The potato, the smashed potato. So guys, let's go and check what's happening on Twitter. Definitely follow me at MIKLOS on Twitter, and also MIKLOS also follow at CorionX platform, and follow the Laserpunk Gods, which is the launchpad that it's just brewing up for CorionX users. So Laserpunk Gods, and let's go. Moon always shines. Yes, latecomers will pay the price at 1 million because Bitcoin is the only one form of money on the planet that can't be blocked, frozen, debased, censored, manipulated, or corrupted, and people still think it's expensive. Switzerland is going to make Bitcoin legal tender. Bitcoin is hovering between 42,000–47,000 to fill the volume gap. The revamp, according to the Rack Capital, we see that between 42 and 47 there is a huge gap on the in the volumes weighted map. Small fishes, BTC holders about 1 BTC are stacking sats. The distribution of wealth and power. Yes. Okay. And that was a news yesterday. Cool. Guys, so let's go and check what's happening on Telegram. Definitely join our Telegram. You see valuable information, and also some news that we are sharing this crypto educational and also CorionX related news. Guys, if you are holding ERC20 version of CorionX, go to Uniswap, provide some liquidity in the CorionX ETH pool, and stake your LPs for earning a 130% APR. If you are holding BEP20 version of CorionX, go to PancakeSwap, provide liquidity, and earn up to 360 and 460% 8% APRs in these pools. So guys, let's go and check what's happening on our favorite bubble charts. But before that, I want to do something for here, and let's go and let's see what is out there. I should find the way to pull up my chart. Okay, I got it. So let's go and check which is, so this is Ethereum. Let's start with Ethereum. So Ethereum, after this nice movement, nice sideways, higher highs, higher lows movement on the 1 hourly, just came back to our support zone at 2,800. Now a little bit traded below that, and this is a kind of actually this is maybe a continuation, a downward trending pattern. So Ethereum can go down the next level to which is 2,600. If it will go down there, that I would definitely buy some, but be careful because we don't know if some black swan events like these invasions will trigger the markets. Let's go and check what Bitcoin is doing. So Bitcoin is traded just below 32,000, and guys, remember Bitcoin consolidated in this region, and that was a nice scalping opportunities on the 5 minutes and 10 minutes charts. And now Bitcoin broke down from this consolidation pattern and reached our next target zone at 42,000 US dollar with a higher volume. And I think we will consolidate in this, but the dump can continue to 38,000 regions, but also Bitcoin can bounce at 42,000. What about Bitcoin shorts? So Bitcoin shorts are still decreasing. So we are getting as low as we were in at end of December, and Bitcoin shorts just decreasing. It's a good sign. And what about the Bitcoin dominance? Bitcoin dominance decreased a little bit because Bitcoin is consolidating. So guys, this is for today. Smash those like, push the bell, notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. See you tomorrow. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.